Large watches are more popular than ever, and when it comes to servicing these watches, you will not be able to begin without the proper tools that can secure and open them. With the right combination of watch holder, opener, and other helpful tools for oversized watches, these tools will help you get the job done. Not only will you have the right tools to work on the popular oversized watches, this set comes in a convenient and organized travel pouch, giving you the ability to work just about anywhere. The kit includes an extra large Jaxa style wrench for removing waterproof watch case backs from 18 to 55 millimeters, extra large watch case holder vise for watches from 18 to 60 millimeters, spring bar and pin removal tool, stainless steel non-magnetic tweezers, set screw style flathead screwdriver, and a black heavy-duty zippered storage case. Watch Repair Toolkit for Oversized Watches is a portable kit with all the tools you need for servicing large watches. Get yours now at Esslinger.com.